Hi, welcome to Lanas y Ovillos. My name is Alba, and in this video I want to show you the MAKA blanket. We are going to make a cal with 9 chapters, and we will make this blanket. This will be the free video tutorials to make this blanket. This is a small blanket. The size of this blanket is 60 centimeters per 1 meter and 5 centimeters using a 3.5 millimeters crochet hook. I will leave the amount of yarn and the size of the hook on the description below. This is the small version. Another blanket following the same pattern but with a 5.5 millimeters crochet hook. The size of this blanket is 90 centimeters per 1 meter and 60 centimeters. This is the small version, and on the picture and here you can see the extended version. This extended blanket is 1 meter and 20 centimeters per 2 meters and 10 centimeters. This is the size for a single bed. You can find the written pattern of both blankets in my Ravelry store. You can find the link on the description below. This cal will have 9 chapters. I will post 1 chapter every Monday starting on September 12th. Remember that you can find the amount of yarn, the size of the hook of the 3 blankets on the description below if you want to prepare the materials to start the cal. As always, thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe and click on the bell to receive the notifications of all the new videos of this cal.